Hi, I'm Nikki here at Sacksteders Interiors, and I'm going to show you today how to make your basic bow. What I have here is 2.5 inch 2-pattern ribbon. This one's a real sparkly and this one's a pattern. I like to double mine together, or you can do them singular. And on this one I'm going to leave a trail approximately maybe 16 to 18 inches. The other one I'm going to leave a couple inches longer. You put both patterns facing out, and then I'm going to take it and I'm going to twist. I'm just going to drop these on the ground. It makes it a little easier. They unroll. I'm going to make a loop. You can make it different sizes, but for this one I'm making here, you're looking at about 8 inches. I'm going to make a decent sized bow. It'll be perfect for a door wreath. And then again, you took it and I just twisted it, and then I'm going to loop it again so it's all facing out, and then twist again like that. And then you just have to kind of flatten out your ribbon and make it another loop. This one's going to be just a little bit smaller, and then twist again, and you're going to do the same on the other side. And then I'm going to do another twist, and I'm going to get a little bit smaller so it just kind of layers. The wired ribbon is by far the best. I make 3 on each side, so that's going to make 6 loops when I pull it out. And then I'm going to make a center loop just like that. It's a little bit smaller, and you're going to twist all so the shiny front face of your ribbon is outward. And then I'm going to cut my ribbon at an angle, and I'm going to cut the second one a little bit longer. And then I think I'm going to make a second tail. I'm just going to add it to the back side. Just going to piece it on like that, and then let this one train down. And they can be a little bit different length, just kind of looking natural. And then again, I'm going to angle these, and then have some wire and take it like this, and then just squeeze it really tight and make a twist. I want you to open up, kind of leave that one together. Open up your little bow petals here. Just kind of fluff it up and get all this facing the right direction. And you can always crease this if you'd like to make it look kind of flowing like that. And you can affix this to your wreath, you can affix it to your tree, and I think it's a perfect combination. If you'd like a custom bow made, you can visit us at either store at sackstedersinteriors.com.